Today we'll show you how to download Assassin's Creed Black Flag. Okay, just follow those steps, and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go to your Steam and open account in Steam, or if you don't have Steam, just go to download Steam from Google or any platform like Microsoft Edge or Firefox or Google Chrome, okay? After this, go now to Steam and open account and go now to store. This is click, one click, do this, okay guys? And now go to search like this. Here it's a search in the store, okay? Just click and put Assassin Creed like this, guys, okay? This is now we have Assassin's Creed Black Flag. We need this, okay? But we have Assassin's Creed Shadows and Assassin's Creed Black Flag this, okay? You can buy this and this. What you want? This or this, okay guys? But now we will choose the Black Flag like this, okay? Just go to here and you can buy this from here. Just into you can put your cart and buy it, okay? Just like this, and continue shopping or view my cart or for my account or for private or for the gift, okay? What you want, okay? If you have a friend for gift, okay, it's okay. Just now view my cart and go now to shopping and go to payment and use your card like a MasterCard, Visa, what you want, okay? After this finally you have it's a game in your library without anything. Just follow the steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.